Alright, check this bad boy out here. This is our that there is our Pro 8 solid state relay module. Got an 8 rocker switch. Got a cool little switch over here for the dome light. Let's see what we got. We got bumper over. We got ignition. Fires it up. Water. I don't know what that is, but that's what he wanted. Looks like that's for his vehicle position sensor. Trans cool. That's his party button. I'm not sure what he's planning on doing with the party, but there's his party and his disco lights. Get the headlights. Nice little bar mounts on there. Let's see what else we got. Give you an idea of the size of this thing. About 9 3/4 long. Now the good thing is we've got probably the most or the thinnest real rocker switches of anybody. Look at that there. What is that, 1 3/8 thick? I've seen some of them bad boys look like they're 2 1/2, 3 inches thick. Look at the size of that. It's probably the lightest setup out there for an 8 relay module that's all solid state. That's about as small and compact as you'll ever see.